Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So tomorrow is 23rd June 2021 and here is tomorrow's to-do list. So for prelims, I will give the math speed test which includes 10 simplification questions, 10 approximation, 10 quadratic equations, 5 missing and 5 wrong number series. And if you are unable to find these questions, then you can go on grade up quizzes, because in grade up there are some quizzes. Just write on search bar simplification quiz and a quiz of 10 questions will be before you. You can attempt these questions from there. Otherwise you can go to Google and simply download the PDFs. Plus there are ample amount of PDFs available in the Telegram also. Then I will practice 5 prelims puzzles of different types, like some are flat floor based, then there are sitting arrangement. So try to practice prelims level puzzles of different types and daily 5 puzzles for prelims. Then for mains, I will practice level 2nd of percentage questions, because today I practice level 1. And for these things you can go for ACE book PDF, otherwise you can go for SK Verma book PDF, okay. Then I will practice 2 mains DIs, and for mains DIs there are mains mock which you can use for solving mains DIs. Then mains puzzles, 2 mains puzzles. For mains puzzles also you can go for your mains mock, because mains mock contain a good level of questions. Then I will practice 1 mains level caselet DI, and the source is same, which is mains mock test. Then 10 questions of mains syllogism, which are a few, and these type of questions of syllogism and reverse syllogism also. So you can download online PDFs from Telegram and from Google. Then I will read the editorial plus vocabulary. So what you have to do is note down 5 words from the editorial daily, because vocab is most important in English for mains, okay. Then I will practice 2 mains RC, and for mains RC I told you yesterday also that there is a PDF named Aristotle 99. Just write on Google Aristotle 99 PDF download, and the PDF will be before you. You can download the PDF and practice RC questions from there. Good content is available in this PDF. Then I will read computer awareness, because computer will also come in RRB exams. So I will try to cover banking awareness and computer awareness on alternate days. Then yesterday I did Feb week 1 current affairs, and tomorrow I will do Feb week 2 current affairs question and answer PDF. You have to cover the question and answer PDF and then try to give quizzes for week 2. Then I will cover daily current affairs. So for both these things I will follow Affairs Cloud, because Affairs Cloud contains good amount of current affairs and no question goes outside Affairs Cloud PDF. So it is the best PDFs available for current affairs. And if you want to purchase their course, the link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. So that's all for tomorrow's schedule. I hope you all can complete tomorrow's schedule, and all the best for your studies and all the best for your day. Thank you.